How can I stay motivated when my tasks are boring, uninteresting? Boredom is the river that we must all cross for greater success and creativity to happen. Embrace boredom, don't run away from it, because the more comfortable you can become in boredom, the more creative your mind will become. You will be able to find innovative ways of dealing with your problems, with solutions. You will become stronger in your will strength to stick to your path, stick to your goal. So, boredom, if you're passing through boredom, if you're going through boredom, the more you can stick with it, the more it will become easier with time. And on the other side of this river of boredom is your success waiting. Everybody, whether you're a musician or you're a cricket player, you're a business owner, or any sort of person, any craft that you're becoming master of,